There's a look at the mess back here. I was not sure why he was going up this way instead of just going across the culvert that he made. But, we'll see. I think I can pull it out. Usually though, when you got a pull like this, at least for the minis, you run out of engine power. It's not necessarily the skill, it's more the engine power. Because if you remember a few years ago when Sharon had to pull me out from the pond, it just didn't have enough engine power. Oh, well, we got some more ponds. That'll just show you how wet it is down here.
Hang on.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, I'm going to try and undo Curtis's mess here. We got some rain since he's got it stuck a couple days ago, but they're calling for big rain tonight, so I don't want it to keep sinking. You can see in his ruts he's got probably 12 to 18 inches of water already. They'll tell you how low this spot is, so fingers crossed. See if I can get it out. It's not a matter of necessarily the skill like this, it's the mini excavators run out of power. If you remember that one time when Sharon had to pull me out from the pond, they just run out of power when they get sucked in too much. So let's see how this one goes.
I was wondering which time he was going to mention about having to pull them out. I didn't know if it was the tractor, oh yeah, okay.
Hit the left brake. Come on, baby.
All right, honey, good luck.
All right, I'm kind of conflicted if I should bring it back across that ditch into the slop or leave it here. So I'm going to leave it here. It's on high ground, but let me show you where he was trying to go to. It makes sense now. This is, I guess I could do this even if we do get a couple inches of rain tonight here in the next few days. So this is going to be the new road. Here's the culvert he put in. And I got to pull all these trees out, all these stumps that I cut off here a couple weeks ago. And then we're going to demolish this one back here. And obviously that's why we need this road. And we don't have a ton of time because the new dumpster's here already. So, I mean, technically you only have 8 days. I think they cut him a break with that snow. I don't know if they'll cut him a break now that the snow and ice is all gone. So, at least these stumps I could pull. It ain't gonna do much good though at the moment. So stay tuned. We'll let it dry a few more days and hopefully get back at it. cool, man. Not cool at all.